Physical fitness for teens, home workout routines, sports training tips, and staying active. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kids Healthy Tips. Today we're going to talk about physical fitness for teens. We'll cover home workout routines, sports training tips, and why staying active is so important. Let's get started. Segment 1: Importance of staying active. Staying active is crucial for both your physical and mental health. Regular exercise can help you feel more energized, improve your mood, and boost your overall well-being. Benefits of physical activity. Physical health improves cardiovascular health, builds muscle strength, and enhances flexibility. Mental health reduces stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Academic performance can improve focus, memory, and overall academic performance. Recommended activity levels: teens should aim for at least 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity each day. Segment 2: Home workout routines. Warm up. Dynamic stretches, arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Light cardio, jumping jacks or jogging in place for 2 to 3 minutes. Workout routine. Bodyweight exercises. Push-ups 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Squats 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Plank hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Lunges 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Bicycle crunches 3 sets of 20 reps. Cool down. Static stretches: hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on all major muscle groups. Segment 3: Sports training tips. General tips. Consistency: stick to a regular training schedule to see continuous improvement. Technique: focus on proper form to prevent injuries and enhance performance. Rest and recovery: ensure you get enough rest between training sessions to allow your body to recover. Sport-specific tips. Basketball dribbling drills, shooting practice, and agility training. Soccer ball control exercises, passing drills, and endurance training. Running interval training, long-distance runs, and strength training for legs. Swimming technique drills, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Segment 4: Making fitness fun. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, biking, or playing a sport. Choose something you love to keep you motivated. Segment 5: Tips for staying motivated. Set goals. Setting personal fitness goals can help you stay focused and track your progress. Create a schedule. Plan your workouts for the week and stick to your schedule. Track your progress. Keep a fitness journal or use an app to record your workouts and progress. Reward yourself. Set milestones and reward yourself when you achieve them, like getting new workout gear or treating yourself to a fun activity. Remember, staying active is essential for your health. Incorporate home workouts, sports training, and activities you enjoy into your routine. Every step you take towards being more active is a step towards a healthier you. Keep moving and stay motivated. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Leave a comment below with your favorite workout or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay active and stay healthy.